Are you facing a Samsung phone stuck in the airplane mode error? So if you are facing the same error, here is the video where I will show you how to get out of airplane mode on Samsung. So let's go ahead. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Reboot your Samsung phone. Follow the steps. First, press the power button unless restart option occurs. Now, select the power off option. Finally, wait unless your phone restarts, and then check if the error is resolved. Method 2. Don't allow apps from changing system settings. Here's what you have to do. First, open Settings, go to Apps. Now, click on 3 dots, choose Special Access. Here, click on Change System Settings to get the list of apps to change settings. Method 3. Check and update your device. Follow the below steps. First, go to Phone Settings, click on Software Update option. Here, check if any update is available, then tap on Download and Install. After that, click on Install Now option. Method 4. Use Safe Mode. Check the steps. First, press and hold power button unless menu occurs. Then, press the power off button unless you enter a safe mode that is seen at the bottom. Method 5. Wipe cache partition. Follow the steps. First, switch off your phone and press volume up plus power button unless the recovery menu occurs. Now, choose Wipe Cache Partition. Here, press power button. Finally, confirm the selection. Method 6. Reset all settings. Follow the steps. First, open Settings and click on General Management. Now, click on the Reset option. Next, click on Reset all settings. After this, confirm the option and then restart your phone. Method 7. Reset network settings. Follow the steps. First, open Settings on your Samsung. Now, click on General Management. Here, move down and click on Reset option. After that, tap on Reset network settings, and finally, tap on Reset settings. Method 8. Do factory reset. Check the steps. First, launch settings on your Samsung device. Now, click on General Management and then on Reset. Finally, select Factory Reset and then tap on Reset All option. Method 9. Take help from Samsung support. Samsung users can also get help from support team. Several reasons can be behind the error that requires technical knowledge. So contact Samsung technicians and explain to them about the problem to get resolved. Method 10. Use professional repair tool. Apart from the above methods, if you are looking for an advanced way, then you should go for the Android repair tool. This is the perfect solution to fix airplane mode stuck in Samsung phone and other issues. Step 1. Download and install Android repair tool. Step 2. Click Repair Now option to go ahead. Step 3. Select correct device info. Step 4. Next, download firmware package. Step 5. Begin Android repair system.